Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from letsmealprep.com. So look for our app, it's called Let's Meal Prep in the App Store. My name is Paul and I'm coming out here with lunch today, and this is a good one. We actually cooked this week to prepare 3 meals that use 3 different pots. So one was an all pot meal, one was a 1-pan meal that you put in the oven. This one was a skillet meal here, so you can cook them all at once without any problems and get them done. This is our ginger pork rice bowl. This has got all my cold stuff on top. I put it on top of this saran wrap and you'll see the pork underneath it, but I've got some shredded carrots, some broccoli microgreens, and some cut cucumbers. And then I've got a medley of basil, mint, and parsley all thrown into there. And what I can do is I can lift these cold ingredients off right here so I can heat up the pork and rice below. So this is ginger pork made with straight up ginger and some soy sauce, easy, and some jasmine rice, which is great flavor rice. I love it better than anything else right there. So I'm gonna heat this up and I'll toss in my cold stuff and mix it up, and that'll make our bowl, which is gonna be amazing. I can't wait for it. It's coming out in the app this Thursday, guys. Check it out, and I hope you guys have a great Monday. Thanks. Bye-bye.